concerned for the kid's safety at that time?
No, I wasn't.
And why not?
Because she wasn't showing any intention of harming the kids.
A heartbroken father describing his former wife's descent into depression in the weeks and days before she killed their 3 children.
The victims, 5-year-old Cora, 3-year-old Dawson, and their baby brother Callan, who was just 8 months old. Their mother, Lindsay Clancy, wiped away tears during this first day of testimony in her triple murder trial. Thanks for being with us tonight. I'm Lisa Hughes.
And I'm David Wade. Clancy's lawyers say she suffered from postpartum psychosis. As Tammy Mutasa shows us, Clancy's mental state is at the core of this case.
Patrick Clancy was the first witness to take the stand, giving emotional testimony about his then-wife's mental health struggles. Legal experts say he's a key witness to both sides, but for different reasons.
Cora was into princesses. And she had a lot of friends. He was into firefighters and trucks. He was just a happy baby.
Fighting back tears, Patrick Clancy recounting memories of his 3 young children, 5-year-old Cora, 3-year-old Dawson, and 8-month-old Callan, the victims of brutal murders, prosecutors say, at the hands of their mother, Lindsay Clancy, in January 2023.
Did she tell you she was having suicidal thoughts?
No.
Did she tell you she was having thoughts of harming the kids?
No.
Did she ask for help or anything that caused concern?
No, she was having one of her best days.
Before that fateful day, Patrick walked prosecutors through Lindsay's mental health struggles, telling the jury she was seeing several psychiatrists, prescribed antidepressants, had suicidal thoughts, and spent several days at McLean Psychiatric Hospital just 19 days before the deaths. But prosecutors argue Lindsay wasn't telling her husband everything, like not taking all her medication and manipulating doctors.
The defendant made a calculated decision. This was a woman who no longer liked the life she thought she wanted.
Clancy crying several times in court, her attorney pushing back that this tragic case is about women's health and postpartum psychosis.
She didn't want to get rid of her kids because of her selfish life, as the government indicates. She loved those children right up to the time of their death.
WBZ legal analyst Jennifer Roman weighing in on how Patrick's testimony may help or hurt both the prosecution and defense.
Patrick Hensley is definitely empathetic and sympathetic to Lindsay Clancy. And he is a key witness for both sides because he was her husband living there day in and day out with her. And he did give some compelling testimony today about how she was struggling. I think at the end of the day, it's what the prosecution can do with those other facts that he was able to lay out today. Sort of demonstrating she was not an accurate reporter.
There is no court on Tuesday. Clancy's testimony will continue on Wednesday. In Plymouth, Tammy Mutasa, WBZ News.
Tammy, thank you.